Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. My daughter will be taking her GCSEs early next summer. These are the exams that you take here in the UK when you're 16. And over the last couple of weeks, she's had quite a stressful time because she's been doing her mocks, her mock exams, which are basically like a kind of practice test done under exam conditions, so she can find out how well she's doing so far and how much more work she has to do to get to where she wants to be for the summer. The other day, she had her maths mock exam. And maths is basically her least favourite subject. She's always struggled a little bit with the subject, and I knew that she was dreading the exam. On the morning of the exam, I asked how she was feeling, and she said, not that confident, but I've revised a lot, so, I'm as ready as I'm ever going to be. To which I responded by saying, listen, all you can do is give it your best shot. No one can ask more of you than that, okay? If you say you give something your best shot, you basically mean you try as hard as you can to do something or achieve something, even though you know how hard it's going to be, and you know that you might not fail, that you might not achieve your goal. So, when you're taking an exam, all you can do is give it your best shot, and whatever happens, happens. Maybe you decide that, you want to give up a particular line of work that you've been working in. Maybe you went to art school, you've spent 5 or 6 years trying to make it as a painter, but in the end you feel like you've given it your best shot and you're not sure that you can make a career out of it, so you decide to become an English language teacher, for example. Maybe you're applying for a job and you don't expect to get the job, but you're going to give it your best shot anyway, because you never know. Sometimes miracles happen. Maybe if you're playing a game or playing a sport, you might lose, but you don't feel too bad about things because you gave it your best shot and you just weren't good enough to win. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use give it your best shot